Do you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone without pressing any buttons? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the back tap feature to take screenshots instantly just by double tapping the back of your phone. This can be a pretty useful thing if your buttons are broken on iPhone and that's preventing you from taking a screenshot. And the first thing which we're going to do is to open the settings page on our iPhone, and then we're going to hop over to our accessibility section right here. The next section which we're looking for is the touch button that is located just right under the physical and motor section here. This page is going to show us a bunch of options, which we can customize related to reachability and similar things, but we're not interested in that currently. What you'll want to do is to swipe all the way to the bottom of the page until you see this back tap option. So let's tap here. From here, you can either go for the double or triple tap options, which means the amount of times you'll tap the back of your iPhone in order to take that screenshot. And I'll tap 2 times, so I'll go with the double tap. So I'll just find and select the screenshot option. I'm then going to exit this page, and if I just double tap the back of my iPhone like this, it's going to take the screenshot instantly. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and subscribe to App Tutor for more helpful tips and tricks.